Hi, my name is Shahiran. Me and my teammate will explain how we use Inventor and Sprutcam to make our project. First step is start by selecting XY plane as a drawing plane. Step 2. Draw a square size 100 mm times 100 mm. Step 3. Draw two circles size 82 mm and 60 mm from the center point. Step 4. Make a line from center point length 30 mm with 25-degree angle. Step 5. Make another line from edge of recent line length 22 mm with 49-degree angle. Step 6. Make another line from edge of recent line length 16 mm with 180-degree angle. Step 7. Make a line from right edge of 60 mm circle length 73 mm with 175-degree angle.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Mustafa Kamal. I will continue step 8. Make two circles size 10 mm on the cross line. Step 9. Make a line from left center workpiece to right center of the workpiece. And then step 10. Delete and trim all unnecessary parts and make a line for mirror line. Step 11. Make a fillet size 5 mm on upper right of the C. Step 12. Press the mirror and select all the parts that want to be mirror and select a line at center as a mirror line. For the last step, 13. Make an arc size 10 mm from edge of the upper line to edge of the lower line and delete the line used as a mirror line. Then press on to finish sketch.
Hi and good evening. My name is Muhammad Azri bin Mota with registration number S24DTP 19F1003. Step 14. Press your extrusion, then select the C design and extrude them to 30 mm. Step 15 is press on the plus button, then select the outer part of the C and extrude them to 20 mm. Step 16. Export your final design as a STP file and import the file at the Sprutcam. Step 17 is set the socket 0 of the workpiece to middle and max. Step 18 is add 2 mm to workpiece by turning off the same stock and putting 2 in positive Z. Put the workpiece CS on any top corner of the workpiece. Step 19 is add a fresh milling process and put all settings as the diagram above.
Hello, my name is Akmal. I will continue with the step 20. Add a roughing waterline process and put all settings as the diagram above. Step 21. Add another roughing waterline process and put all settings as the diagram above. Step 22. Add another finishing waterline process and put all settings as the diagram above. Step 23. Add a finishing plane process and put all settings as the diagram above. Last step, press on post processor then select Fanuc 31i and run. The G-code will be generated. The Sprutcam process has been done.